Welcome back, guys. Out here at Newport again today. I'm gonna go out fishing in the ocean with Joe and Heidi and Parker. Nice day today. No wind hardly at all. The ocean's supposed to be pretty flat, so should be a good day. Stick around. Morning.
That looks yummy.
Yeah.
You heating up dinner or breakfast?
Getting the old crab pots all baited, huh?
That's what I'm working on.
Oh, you do have a little buddy.
Oh yeah.
I brought mine just in case.
Ah, it's not good here now. Not very. Just let it string. If anything, turn seaward so you don't get the rope in. Let it go on out behind. Oh, that's not bad there though, is it? Not terrible. It's a little bumpy, but not. We're trying to get our crab pots out, and we're dealing with a little bit gnarly bottom. That's good right there. Dump the pot. Got one more to dump. Yeah, it's close. Trying to find a smooth bottom here.
That's a little smooth.
That's not bad. You want to go here? Yep, right here. There she goes. Last pot in the ocean. We're gonna head on down and go fishing now. We're in the fish, right?
We got some right
there's some on top.
That's
You
fish,
sure that
it's
ain't
not
bottom?
black and white?
That's bottom. This is fish
Yeah,
here.
that's fish.
Why don't they look like little squigglies?
You guys want to continue?
That
on?
looks like my fish finder.
Yeah. No, that one's
Hey, it's
better.
up to you, Joe. I don't care.
You want to continue on down? We got a charter boat right up here.
You don't want to get these fish?
Heidi's ready to
Those are
fish.
probably big wings laying there.
Probably.
So why don't you want to get them? I'm not understanding.
Heidi's ready to put the line in the water. Alrighty, guys. First fish of 2023. Just a little guy, though, I think. I'll take him, though. Holding the camera and cranking it in at the same time. Come on over here, buddy. Come on over here. Little
Nice.
black.
Nice black.
On the way.
On the white. Sweet. First fish of 2023. Black sea bass. These two guys over here are the ones catching them. Come on, Parker.
I went blank for a second.
It was swimming up.
Oh, there's a nice black.
Oh yeah,
I'll keep it.
I would. Second fish on the boat. Nice.
I'll have to check those rigs. I think we're good for 20 or 5 apiece.
Yeah, 20. Yep. I could text Troy too.
Oh, he wasn't going nowhere.
He got your blue fly. Did you switch it up?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Parker hooked up finally, again. I say finally again. It's been a little bit, but just a little sea bass.
Yeah.
Beautiful day out here though. It's cold.
Oh, you got heavier.
Got heavier?
Yeah.
Oh, it's another deacon.
Nice deacon.
Yeah, that's not a bad one there. We'll keep him. Easy. I don't know if that's a deacon or a blue. I can't ever tell them apart. I think it's a deacon.
I think this is a
Looks like
deacon.
there's a bunch up on the bottom there.
All right, well, let me get back down there.
Shallow it up pretty quick.
Heidi done killed one over here. Yeah, we are. I don't think I do. I was waiting on Heidi's to come in though. Man, Heidi, how far back were you? Oh, that's a nice black. Slinger in. Right, right.
Hey.
Good one. Good. There you
Barely had him.
Had a good
go. Oh, just barely.
Oh.
It worked.
Yeah.
Good job, Heidi.
Thanks.
Snagged the bottom. Joe's trying to get her loose, and there's a fish on the line. You got one, Parker?
Switch to heavier weight.
Yeah. Get my pole out of the way here so I can.
These are way back here again. She's throwing all
Well, I
right.
told you the line was coming out.
Well, it might be. Yeah, the line was coming out because it was messed up. But oh, it's a. What's that thing? Cabezon. Right here. Little bitty guy. You only got one shrimp fly, and that's what he got. Little bitty cabezon. Can't
Go
keep
back
it.
and grow.
Can't beat this day. Fishing's not great. We got, so far we got 5, which is one limit. They're sitting on that, so I can't get in there. That's fine. Gonna go reset. Try to get a few more. Unhook the fish. Where is it? Here it comes. Snagged him.
It's a big one.
Snagged a teeny tiny little thing. No wonder I didn't think I had one. That thing ain't even worth fish tacos right there. Open your mouth.
This is no.
Fine, don't.
With the jerky in the hand.
Good job. Well, I don't think this starfish is too happy with me. I done hooked him, pulled him off the reef. Oh well, throw him back. We had a long dry spell, a couple hours. Parker finally hooked up.
We're drifting right towards these other guys. We might have to.
Oh, you know what this is?
What is it?
It's the link.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it is too.
You probably want to get the net for that guy.
I killed him.
You got him good. Bring him in.
Well,
That's
maybe not.
barely. I don't think that's barely legal.
Heidi,
It's a ling though.
How do you want to reel up? Because I
I
think,
am reeling up.
yeah, I think we have to move.
You got fish pincher mount things?
Little 21 incher. Gotta let him go. He gone. So Heidi and I both got us a fish. I didn't record it on the way up, but two little guys. We're gonna keep them because we haven't been getting much today, so we're gonna keep the little guys we got. Ding ding ding. Ring his bell.
The fight is on.
Well, I don't know where all them waves came from, but
Well, I didn't know I had to tell you this, Earl, but we're in the ocean.
we are? Come on now.
Well, some people would call this a bay.
Hey Joe,
What?
where are we going now?
We're gonna go pick up some crab
Why?
because Heidi's ready to whine.
And what else? We all broke off. That one.
All broke off.
Well,
Except for
Except for
Parker.
you can't say all.
Heidi
Yep.
and me and Joe
Simultaneously.
all broke off at the same time. We were like, well, that's our sign. We're going to get crab pots. We got 6 crab pots out.
I think that goes up there.
Parker has a nice hoodie on, and I got him a special one.
Because I'm special?
Yeah, because you special. Anyway, Yeah, we're gonna go pick up some crab pots.
Some, whatchamacallit?
Stick around for that. This isn't yours, it says Joe on it.
Scared me there for a second.
You know how to work that thing?
I want to try and figure it out, to be honest with you.
Go under, over, and then you hit the switch. But then when the pot gets up here, you got to stop. You got to flip the switch back off. You ready?
Is that thing? I
There,
think.
there. Run the switch. Pull.
Got a pull too?
Oh, you might have blew us. I bet you blew us fuse.
There.
There we go. We'll get it.
Put that underneath there. And all you gotta do is just cut that. There you go.
Oh,
You don't have to really
it's
pull.
heavy or something. We're hoping.
Where's that switch again?
Right here. You want me to flip it off when you get it?
Sure. I watched the YouTube of you explaining it to Tom. Tom?
Ton, yeah. Oh, that was a wave. That's working this thing pretty good. Must be full of crabs. It's down there a ways anyhow. Here it is. Okay, bring it right here. Oh, there's some big ones in there. Oh man, there's some good ones in there. There's one for sure, maybe another, and there's some females though.
Yep,
There's a female, and I think this, yeah, those two are females. That, we got 2 keepers, I believe, maybe 3. Check that little shell out. Where's the best lighting for it? Right there, I guess. It's kind of cool. It's on the crab bait. Send him back home. Fella, got a few in it.
Yeah, but just see my text.
Keep coming, man. Stay in there.
Just
Females. All females. Nope, there's a male.
Okay, throw it over
We got
here.
1 keeper. That one over there's a female.
How did that happen?
Yeah, that or just.
I think we just got 1 keeper in there, I think.
What's that?
Ah, didn't even use the thing. That's all right. Rather have it not need it than need it not have it.
Let's go commercial crabbing now.
Nah.
So I did mark it, but it's not man overboard. Those are the green marks.
Oh, okay. All right. It's underneath of it. It's all right. Keep going.
Well, I didn't want to.
Keep going. There it comes. Might have been stuck on the bottom. Yeah, you good. There, it's easier. We might have hit jackpot out here too.
I like your optimism.
I do too.
See color?
Yeah, but they ain't good.
It's an octopus!
We got a big old octopus in
We're
here.
eating that.
Holy cow.
Here, hang on.
You can keep those.
Oh,
Don't let him ink ya.
Get them up.
I gotta get my GoPro down.
You guys want calamari? You want to kill it?
Squid. Not
Check
octopus.
that out.
Look at his legs. He's getting you, Parker.
That's fine.
That is crazy. Yeah, I gotta do a short with this.
Well, hurry up. He's gonna go somewhere on the boat.
Oh yeah.
Stay in there. Are we killing it?
No.
Who's touching it then? They have beaks.
Check this out, guys. Pulled up a crab pot out here in the ocean. There's a great big old octopus up in here. Pacific octopus. It's a big old stringy thing. How you like that?
Wow.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and share.
Oh, they feel weird. So
That's
we're
cool.
not killing it?
No, we're not killing it.
Have fun with that.
That's what I'm thinking.
Let him get out of the pot.
I was hoping doing this.
What if you just hung it over the side upside down with the opening?
Yeah, it'd get out that way.
We'll get out this way.
This is
Just
kind
like
of cool,
it's
though.
in the boat.
This is kind of cool. You don't see this every day. He's gonna get tangled in the other pots, Parker. Put it out upside down. Turn the pot the other direction and upside down, and he'll get out.
He'll squeeze through there.
I don't think he can get through there. That's a big one.
He's holding the boat now.
I gotta get on this side.
The only thing big enough.
Big old suction cups, man. Yeah, that's cool. That's all
I
right.
kind of want to eat them.
Let's
Pull the suction cups off and I'll flip the thing.
just pull, tilt down like this. Let go. There. Now turn him around. There. Now it can get out.
Squidward!
Bye bye. There he
Look at him.
goes. Oh, he inked everything. That was cool. That was real cool.
What you gonna do with a drunken sailor?
Wouldn't be you.
Wanna be?
The sailor part, at least.
Yeah, I just throw up. You're good to fly, Captain.
Well, Joe,
I'm going.
thanks a pile for taking us along. I appreciate it. Thanks, Heidi, putting up with me and Parker.
Hey, anytime.
Thanks, Parker, for coming along. Oh, appreciate you guys coming along. It was a blast. It's pretty cool to see that octopus. I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty cool.
That works.
So,
That
hope
works.
you enjoyed this.
That thing.
If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment and come back for more next time. Catch you later.
I think.